Hi, it's Justine Marjan, and I'm going to show you how to get easy waves at home. So the first step is to section your hair, and then we are going to spray each section with the Tresemme Micro Mist Hairspray in Texture. Then we are just going to braid this hair loosely. I'm going to spray with a little bit more hairspray after I braided. After you've braided, we're going to flat iron the braids. So notice how I'm unbraiding each strand instead of just raking through the hair to release the braids. That will give more of a defined curl and less frizz. I'm just gonna massage her roots to break up that pattern. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and define the wave pattern just around the face. So now to finish the look, I'm just gonna spray more of the Tresemme Micro Mist Hairspray in Texture and scrunch it in the hair. And this is the final look.